Scores of people suspected to be undocumented Bangladeshi immigrants were seen gathering near the BSF's Hakimpur checkpost in West Bengal's North 24 Parganas district. Authorities say they are apparently seeking to cross into Bangladesh, reportedly. Police said around 100 people had gathered near the border crossing.
এখানে আমরা থাকতে পারছি না, আমাদের কোনো কাগজপত্র নেই, তাহলে আমরা থাকবো কি করে? ওই রাস্তায় মালটাল কুড়িয়ে খেতাম। ও যখন ঢুকেছিলাম ওই মানে দালাল দিয়ে ঢুকেছিলাম আর কি। তারা আমাদের কাছে 800-900 টাকা করে নিয়েছিল, নিয়ে পার করে দিয়েছিল।
আমার মানে আইডি কার্ড সবই আছে। আমি এসেছিলাম এখানে মানে বন্ধু বান্ধবের মানে মানে একটা চাকরির জন্য বন্ধু বান্ধবের সাথে। পরে আমি চাকরি পাই না, এখন আমি দেশে ফিরতে চাই।
এখানে সুবিধা হচ্ছে কিছু?
না, এখানে কিছু সুবিধা হচ্ছে না।
তুমি চাকরি পাওনি ওই জন্য যাচ্ছ?
আমি বলবো সত্যি এখানে এসে পড়ছি বন্ধুদের সাথে, এখন আমি যেতে পারছি না, কিভাবে যাব এখন?
This comes after the West Bengal Chief Minister claimed illegal Bangladeshi nationals had gathered at the checkpoint in the district's area. In fact, speaking to reporters after an administrative meeting in Kalyani attended by officials, Adhikari claimed those gathered at the border checkpoint were willing to return to Bangladesh. The West Bengal Chief Minister had urged the authorities to fast-track their deportation. And referring to the Foreigners Act, Adhikari said that the provisions already existed and needed to be implemented effectively. In a strong message, the West Bengal Chief Minister urged the illegal migrants to run quickly from the state or else face strict action from the government.
पुलिस को हम लोग बता दिया जेल में भेजने का जरूरत नहीं है। देश के रुपया में खाना खाएगा, कपड़ा देगा, मेडिसिन देगा। एक दामाद है ये लोग। जल्दी जल्दी भागो, जल्दी जल्दी भागो, नहीं तो जो करना है सरकार करेगा।
The development follows BJP's push for holding centers for undocumented immigrants aligned with its detect, delete and deport drive against illegal Bangladeshi immigrants and Rohingyas. And for more on these developments, our correspondent Piyali Mitra getting us this report.
Right now I am standing at Hakimpur checkpost of BSF in North 24 Pargana. Right behind me you can see hundreds of people have gathered here. They are waiting at the checkpost. They all are Bangladeshi nationals who were staying here in Bengal for last couple of years. We have seen similar number of visuals during SIR process. We have seen how thousands of Bangladeshi nationals have crossed the border through this checkpost during SIR. Now they have gathered here and they are saying they were staying in Bengal for last 10 years, from last 12 years. Now as the government has taken, West Bengal BJP government has taken zero tolerance policy, especially detect, delete and deport policy, and they have said that no illegal Bangladeshi or Rohingyas will be allowed to stay here in Bengal. So these people in fear, they are leaving India. They have gathered here. Local police have already completed the legal verification process. After this they will be taken to inside the checkpost, and where BSF will conduct the primary questionnaire report, and their facial data along with biometric data will be taken, and after that they will be handed over.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.